You know that moment when you're running late, but you still want to look good pulling into the parking lot. That's where the Toyota Corolla comes in. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about how you feel along the way, confident, efficient, and completely in control. The Corolla isn't trying to be flashy. It's just solid, consistent. It shows up every day, doesn't complain, and still manages to turn heads with clean, modern styling. The LED headlights cut through the dark with sharp clarity. The bold grille and sculpted body lines give it a quiet confidence. It's not screaming for attention, it earns it. Slip inside and everything just feels right. The seats are supportive for long drives, the materials are soft to the touch, and the dashboard layout. Intuitive. No fumbling, no second guessing. The touchscreen puts everything you need right in front of you: navigation, music, climate control, your messages. And with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard, your phone and your car basically become best friends. But here's the real magic: the way it drives. Light on its feet, with steering that responds when you need it to. Whether you're navigating city traffic or opening it up a bit on the highway, it's composed and capable. And the fuel economy? Forget about planning your week around gas station stops. The Corolla just keeps going. Some trims even push into hybrid territory, giving you nearly 50 miles per gallon. That's not just impressive, it's freedom. Safety. It's not even a question. Toyota Safety Sense is baked into every new Corolla, giving you peace of mind with features like lane departure alert, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and more. The car's basically looking out for you, even when you're not paying full attention. And let's be real, none of us are perfect drivers all the time. It helps to have backup. What makes the Corolla so appealing isn't just one thing. It's everything working together. The reliability that built its reputation. The comfort that surprises you the first time you sit inside. The technology that doesn't overwhelm but just works. It's affordable, but never feels cheap. It's compact, but never feels cramped. It's efficient, but still fun to drive. And whether you're buying your first car or your fifth, it feels like a smart choice. Not because it's the safe option, but because it's the one that actually makes sense. The one you know will be with you for the long haul. People drive Corollas for 10, 15 years and still don't want to let them go. That's the kind of loyalty it earns. This isn't a car built just for driving. It's built for life. For work commutes and weekend trips. For early mornings and late night food runs. For solo drives with your favorite playlist and road trips with friends crammed in the back seat. It adapts. It fits. It just works. And yeah, maybe it doesn't have a roaring V8 or butterfly doors. But it has everything you actually need, and nothing you don't. That's what makes it brilliant. Quietly, consistently, confidently brilliant. So next time you're thinking about what car you want to live with, not just for a year or two, but really live with, remember the Toyota Corolla. There's a reason it's been one of the best-selling cars in the world for decades. Not because it shouts the loudest, but because it delivers, every single time. You're not just buying a car. You're making a decision your future self will thank you for. And that's something not every car can promise.